we'll guide you through how to master WooCommerce development. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your WordPress dashboard and ensure you have the latest version of WooCommerce installed, as this will give you access to the newest features and security updates. Go to the Plugins section, click on Add New, and search for WooCommerce. If it's not installed, click Install Now, then Activate. Once activated, you'll find a new WooCommerce tab in your dashboard. Click on it to access the Setup Wizard, which will guide you through the initial configuration of your store, including setting up your store's location, currency, and preferred payment methods like PayPal or Stripe. This step is crucial as it lays the foundation for your online store. After completing the Setup Wizard, you can start adding products. Navigate to the Products section and click Add New. Here, you need to enter details like the product name, description, price, and images. Make sure to categorize your products correctly to help your customers find what they're looking for easily. You can also add product attributes such as size and color, which will help in managing variations. For more advanced customization, consider using hooks and filters available in WooCommerce's extensive documentation to modify your store's functionality without altering the core files. This is key for maintaining updates and compatibility with future WooCommerce releases. If you want a more personalized design, you can explore WooCommerce-compatible themes available in the WordPress repository. Many of these themes offer demo content and easy customization options, allowing you to tweak the appearance without any coding knowledge. As you become more comfortable, you can also explore WooCommerce extensions to add additional features like subscriptions, bookings, or memberships. These tools can significantly enhance your store's capabilities and provide a better shopping experience for your customers. Remember, mastering WooCommerce development is a continuous learning process, so keep an eye on updates and new features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.